If you enjoy tool reviews and real tests, make sure to hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And today, we're checking out the PARKSIDE Air Stapler and Nailer, a tool designed for fast, efficient fastening in a wide range of DIY and workshop projects. Right out of the box, this tool feels solid and well built. The body is sturdy, designed to handle regular use, and the grip is comfortable, allowing for better control during longer tasks. Since it's air-powered, you get consistent performance without worrying about battery life. This stapler and nailer is ideal for working with wood, upholstery, and light construction tasks. It can drive both staples and nails quickly and with good precision, making it a versatile addition to your workshop. The trigger response is smooth, and once connected to a compressor, it delivers strong and reliable power. This makes repetitive tasks much faster compared to manual tools. Loading staples and nails is simple and doesn't take much time, which keeps your workflow efficient. Now let's talk about the pros and cons, starting with the pros. First, speed and efficiency. It saves a lot of time on repetitive work. Second, consistent power thanks to the air system. Third, versatility, since it supports both staples and nails. Fourth, solid build quality for its price range. And finally, great value for money, which is something PARKSIDE is known for. Now for the cons, you need an air compressor, which adds extra cost and setup. The noise level can be higher compared to manual tools. It's not ideal for very heavy-duty professional applications, and the size might feel slightly bulky for tight spaces. Overall, the PARKSIDE Air Stapler and Nailer is a great tool for DIY projects, furniture work, and general workshop use. It offers speed, reliability, and excellent value for the price. If you like this video and want to see more tool reviews and real tests, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the next upload.